What it do, everyday people, man? It's your boy PJ, and today I'm here with the best beard stuff. I'm using this special applicator, and remember, I'm a highly trained professional, but you can do this also. All you gotta do is put this on your skin near the root. Make sure you get it all the way down there. Get all your bald spots. I have mine, you have yours. All right, now, if I can rub that in, you know what I'm saying? It's down there at the roots, and I can smell double mint all on my face. Hey, so make sure you pick you up some best beard stuff. Maximum Hair and Beard Growth Accelerator. Use the link at the bottom and my discount code, okay? Check this shit out now.
It's an everyday thing. It's an everyday thing. It's an everyday thing when you let your nuts hang.
What it do, everyday people, man? It's your boy PJ. Today, we're going to learn some tax deductions you never knew about. Okay, maybe you did know about them, but I'm going to refresh your memory, and then we're going to talk about some of the things you can use it for. My goal is to help people with home-based businesses and also YouTubers. Having a YouTube business is a actual home-based business because you do everything, most of your things at home. So let's start with some of the things that you may not have known about having a home business that could help you save money on your tax return. Did you know hiring your children was legal? Yes, you can pay them up to $12,400 per year. And that is all of the tax write-off to you, and it's non-taxable to that child. The Department of Labor says it is okay for a child to work in a parent's home-based business. And with that, they can do jobs like filing papers, some admin work, maybe work your social media, or just normal chores around the house. Another interesting tax benefit that I'm gonna give to you guys. As a divorcee, you can turn your ex into a profit. It sounds crazy, but it's true, okay? If you're receiving alimony payments or maybe a disclosed maintenance agreement, you can use that money, put it into an IRA up to $6,000 per year. What this does, it reduces your taxable income. That is one of the simplest things to do, okay? But don't get divorced. You know what I'm saying? Just do that. Stay in love. Stay in love. Basically, here's another thing. This may sound crazy, but for any home-based business, medication and first aid is tax writable. What you need to do is set up a self-employment medical reimbursement account. With this, you can write off medical expenses, sort of like braces, you know, or feminine products, you know, any male products that males need. I don't know, Preparation H, for example. I don't know. Those things are write-offable if you have a medical reimbursement account, okay? Those are very, very simple. Okay, that sounds so simple, but let me give you a few more pointers that you might not know. Okay, meals. Let's say you and the guys, or you and the girls, whoever you with, if y'all want to go out for a meal, what you do is, you don't just charge that meal to the game. Save your receipts, and you write it off as a business meal, if you talk business. Now, don't just go have random meals with people and think that, oh man, I could just write this off. No. Plan out your business meals, write them off. This includes lunches, dinners, breakfasts, brunch. If you ever go out of town for meals, you know. But what's most important is don't forget that your mileage to that meal is tax writable also. There are a few systems out there, apps and such, that will help you collect those miles as you use them. So if you don't keep it wrote down, you know, use that app. It'll help you calculate those. Get in the habit of calculating every time you use your vehicle for business use, okay? Get those business miles. Hey, you want to be rich or not, okay? What you don't understand is that when you have to begin your YouTube career as being monetized, you need to have an EIN number for tax purposes, and you know, pretty much you need a bank account. So if you have these things, you got an LLC, you have an EIN, and you have a bank account. These are things that you need to take into account when you are on your way to wealth. Everyone has a car channel. Did you know your car was tax writable? If you use it for your YouTube business, and that's what you do for primary gain of your viewership and your content, write your car off. As soon as you buy your car, you can write it off. 2, every time you buy a camera, every time you buy a memory card, every time you purchase a ticket to go in somewhere to meet and greet with other YouTubers, you know, write that stuff off. You need this stuff. This stuff needs you, okay? Here's the thing. I went to a car show this past weekend, and I understand I drove a couple hundred miles. I paid $10 in toll fees, $52 in fuel. That's all tax writable. I'm writing all that off because I did that strictly for my YouTube business. So you gotta understand, these are the things you need to know. And if you wanna really make it in these games, you gotta play the game with their rules. We didn't make them. We just abide by them. Okay. So let me go through Tax Free USA, and I'm gonna show you how we can write off some of these taxes. Okay. All right, everyday people. So let's talk about this. As a YouTuber, influencer, we need to know, how do these things get wrote off on our tax return? So we're going to go into expenses and assets, and we're going to go down here to depreciable assets, and we're going to click edit. But this is where you want to enter all of the information of your depreciable assets that you purchased over the year. Okay, let's create a new one. Do you need to enter any more depreciable assets? Yes. Asset description. A lot of us YouTubers, we go through cameras and mainly memory cards or batteries or anything, you know. So let's just go with memory card. You put the date you put it in service. For scientific purposes, I'm putting 2020 because this is a 2020 tax return. Okay. Okay, did you purchase this asset new? Yes. Date sold or disposed of? No. Percent used for business? Always 100%, unless otherwise. Original cost, most memory cards $75. So you go there, you put that in there. Computer, equipment, phone is similar, photographer, yeah. Alright, so this asset qualifies for the Section 179 expense. Enter the amount of Section 179 expense you want to take. The maximum amount for Section 179 expense that you can take for this asset is $75. You want to expense the entire thing. We're not going to do this year over year. Under the Section 179 deduction, $75. Depreciation method, depreciation conversion, recovery period. Alright, let's say you bought some rims for your vehicle, okay? So, rims. Okay, date placed in service. Okay. Did you purchase the asset new? Yes. Disposed of? No. And 100%. If you use it on your car, 100%. If you pay $15,000 for those rims, you pay $15,000 for them, okay? I would use other because this is technically not equipment. This is just stuff for your vehicle, okay? But this makes whatever your channel do better. So if you had to make this expense to make your channel better, depreciation method, we're going to use a 200 declining balance, 7 years. Let's do half a year, just like we see everything else. No, it's not listed property. Okay, the most we can expense is $15,000. Let's expense the whole $15,000. And there you have it. As you can see, we had a federal owed of like $4,000. Now, since we've used this, it's went down almost $15,000. I mean, probably over $15,000, almost $2,000. Excuse me, $1,500. So, let me delete that and show you how much we actually saved. So, if it's $23.55 now, if we delete these rims, yeah, see, those rims, that was $2,100. You know, I mean, just doing this, man, save you some money, save your life, save your family, save Christmas, okay? Let me help you get you in order. Like, comment, and subscribe if you need more information on how to save money on your tax return. So that's what we're doing over here at Everyday Thing with PJ. We are helping you save money one tax return at a time, okay? If you are a YouTuber, influencer, or if you have a home-based business, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this out to your friends who are YouTubers, influencers. They have a home-based business. Share this out to them. Let's get this information out there. You guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you leave a comment. Let me know what you think. If you need more help on your tax return, email me at everydaythingwithpj@gmail.com. Okay, if you want my snowball effect template, send me a Cash App. Email me and send me a Cash App, $1. That's all it's going to cost for that template to get yourself started and building your credit. And then after you finish building your credit, use your tax return to pay off all those old debts. You know what I'm saying? Let me help you get from $4,000 to $2,000. Okay? Everyday people, man, thank y'all for watching. I'll holler at you. Peace.